There's an elephant here. There's an elephant. Saw it.
Oh my gosh.
More Simpsons. See something on it.
What is it? You see something? I don't see it. Where is it? Oh my god. It is rainbow egg. You found it. Oh my god. It's giant egg.
Look at this. It's too big. Welcome to Peanut World. Happy Easter.
Hi Peanut. Hi Mango. Peanut.
Hey.
Are you ready to hunt for eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. What is that? Is that your basket?
Yeah.
Wow. I see something. Do you see it? You see it? Wow, you found one. Purple egg. Beautiful.
Well, I found something right there.
You found something? What is it?
There's a puppy here.
Yeah, what do you see?
A giant egg. Wow.
Wow, a giant egg.
Too. The puppy's right there.
Yeah.
He's looking.
Look at that. It got polka dot on. Not a polka dots.
What's this black in there?
I don't know. What inside? Oh, put it out. Oh no, he jumped out.
He can, but come on.
You see something? No, you don't see. You see it? Look careful. Where you found one? And another one. Good job. Careful. You see it? I see something. Yeah? You see it? You see it? I see something, but you don't see it. Oh, you see it. Good job. Green.
See something on it.
What is it? You see something? I don't see it. Where is it? Oh my god, it is rainbow egg. How to get it out? You want me to help you? Alright. Let's take it down. Oh my god, it's heavy too, Peanut. Ah! Oh no! There you go. Rainbow! Rainbow egg!
This color is rainbow. Wow.
Yeah! Oh my god, big. Same size with the balloon, Peanut. You got a hole on top. Hole on top too. You okay?
I need help, okay?
Do you see something?
You see something?
I see something, but I don't tell you.
This way or this way?
I don't know. I think this way. This way.
Aha!
You see it? Good job. You found it. Oh my god, it's giant egg.
This is the third giant. This is too big. This is so much to do. It's just bigger.
It's giant. That's why you need a wagon. Okay, put it down. Oh my god, we have no more room, Peanut.
How about move this way?
There you go. Look at the dog.
This big basket is for the big eggs.
Oh yeah, this one for big eggs. And small one for small eggs. you go. You see something? You're missing something. You found one. Pink. Pink egg.
4.5. Oh, I found it. Oh, I found another one.
You found another one?
This.
Another one. Wow, it's red and it is pink. It's giant too. Here you go. I want to get it out. Careful.
Oh.
Good job. It's giant too. Beautiful. Oh, you get. Oh, you got a green egg. Oh.
I know where one is.
Oh, the baby already opened it.
Well, let's see what's inside.
What's inside?
A squishy strawberry.
Go on now.
Baby got a squishy strawberry.
She wants another one.
Yeah, that's the open one.
Oh, she wants
I want
another
the big one too.
Okay, she...
Warmer.
Warmer. Oh.
You're smoking.
Aha, found it.
Ta-da!
Subscribe for more fun videos. Guys, let's open it up. I first want to open this one.
Want to open the blue one first? Oh my god. Wow.
Oh,
What is that? You got candy and
Lego dinosaur.
Lego dinosaur. Want to build it up? What
Yeah.
kind of dinosaur is that?
You'll see.
Look like T-Rex. Put the head on. There you go. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh,
I opened the egg. Look.
the pink one. Care Bears.
Guys, look what's inside. Another egg. Look what else is inside.
Tsum Tsum.
There's an egg inside of an egg.
The Tsum Tsum. Baby Tsum Tsum. Dinosaur. Let's open this one up.
Wow, jelly beans in.
And what is it?
Rebel.
Rubble.
Oh, can I have it? Eat?
What is
Can I
that?
eat this?
Is that
Jelly
Easter egg? Is it jelly bean? Mmm. Yum.
Let's open this egg. Peanut butter?
What is that? Yeah.
It's peanut butter.
Yeah.
Now let's open Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If you help.
Open. Already open it.
Yeah, those are... What?
Woo. What is
That
that?
means it's a minion again.
Jelly bean and minion. Wow. Look at, oh.
Now let's look at it. When did you... Wow, a chocolate egg.
Wow.
Oh, can I eat this? I'm so scared.
Are you scared?
I don't want it. It's hot and hurt.
Can you open it? Wow. You mash it down. Ooh, what inside? Ooh. You need help? Oh my god. You got some?
Dang, this popcorn stove.
And
Wow, this.
what is that?
Wait. The same, this, and a mystery. Wait,
Tsum
this is a
Tsum
mystery.
Marvel superhero. Yeah, it's a mystery over here. We can open it up later.
This.
You get one egg.
Wow, it's a lot.
A lot of Tootsie Rolls, candy. and-
Lollipops, lollipops.
And one can of Slam Barrel.
Guys, let's open it.
Wow. What did it say?
Oh,
Oh my god.
dinosaur eggs.
Dinosaur eggs. A lot of dinosaur eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, Vina? No more? What is that?
Let's open this.
Baby, you want to open that too? There you go.
Open it.
You got a pink dinosaur. Can Poppy open that too? Okay, you open that. I opened it. Phew. I got a pink one too.
I got a red one.
You got a red one.
Wow!
You got another dinosaur.
Tyrannosaurus set.
Oh my god.
Okay. Now let's see what else is in the red. Whoa.
I opened the green one. Phew. What did you get?
Wow.
Wow, a flying dinosaur.
That's
I got a yellow one.
This is a pterodactyl.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Now I'm gonna open this red one.
Okay. What inside? Oh, you got a yellow one. There you go. They're so tiny, Peanut. Look at.
Wow. Whoa! Look
What
at
is
it.
that?
Oh, help me out.
Oh my god. The baby inside the hole now. Are they going to drop in there?
No, they're too big for that. Look at the tail.
Really? Let me try. Let me try to save them. Hi, baby. You're down.
Hey,
Don't fall in there.
I can do it, Daddy.
You can do it. Oh my god, now I'm falling down. Slide down.
Ow! That kind
Oh
of.
my.
I'm gonna open this Sims.
Okay. Open the Zoom.
It is a superhero. Guys, now the big time.
Giant one. 1, 2, 3. You need to have? No. You got it.
I think I can just rip it.
There you go. You got a lot of paper inside. Woo! Mash it, mash it, mash it.
There's an LOL inside here. There's an LOL. I saw it. Just saw it.
What is that? Oh my gosh.
More Sims in the LOL packet.
What is that?
LOL.
Yeah?
Zoom car. Zoom.
Where you get a car?
Hot Wheels.
Hot wheel.
Oh, what's this? But this is already open. What?
What is that?
Gumball.
You get gumball.
Gumball. M&M's.
Yeah.
What's in here? I don't know.
Cars, candy.
Sugar kit. There's this carrot sugar. Look at.
What is that? Oh my god, it's a superhero doll. And it's the candy.
That's a lot of loot.
Oh my god, what is that?
Tixie.
Oh my god, candy.
Guys, look at. It's a big sister LOL puzzle.
Yeah.
Look at that, so beautiful.
Daddy, look at this LOL.
Wow. It's huge.
I know, it's just that's what the puzzle.
Can you open it? Oh!
You get sticker.
Wow.
It say I rock before I could walk. You got rocker, see?
What are you eating?
That was so quick.
Look for the last one. It must be really big. I don't know. You excited?
Wow, look at that. It's a giant.
Oh my god, you found it! Good job, it's big.
Get it for me. That's because I'm big. I hope it don't touch the rocks. The rocks have alligators.
Here you go. And it's beautiful too.
Bubble. 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 Now let's see what's inside. Guys, look. This is a really soft spot. What's inside?
What is it? LOL! Wow!
sister. I thought it was a little dog. There's actually the pet ones too. I hope this was the pet ones. They have pet ones too. Did you hear that music?
Yeah. Super. First layer.
Second layer.
What is that, Peter?
Pause the time.
Wow. So excited to see what doll inside.
Yeah, I am too.
Second
But I'm
layer.
gonna tell you how to do this music. You rip that and then
Oh my god, last
the password
layer.
was pause the time.
Yeah, you see?
The sticker.
Sticker.
I can't wait.
Oh my god. Last one, last layer.
Wow. Look at all these stuff.
How did you get?
That's the bag.
Open the door. Oh,
It's
Oh my
Merbaby.
mermaid?
It's her name's not Mermaid. It's Merbaby.
Oh, merbaby. Oh my god, look at.
Oh, here she is.
It's a little coconut. Let's open the accessories.
Her name's Little Coconut. It's not an accessory. It's her bag. Look at her bag.
Oh my god.
Apples on it.
Yeah, super cute. A ring?
Sunglasses.
Oh my god. It's so cute.
This is for big sissy.
Yeah, for the big doll. Okay, the last bag. Let's open it up. I think this one a shirt,
No, babies don't have shirts.
underwear.
No, she already has her underwear.
Alright, let's see what is inside there.
Oh, this is the chain.
Oh yeah, let's hook on that. Okay.
It's a series 3. Well guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget the thumbs up and subscribe. Bye! Click on the folder to see more videos.